Hi guys, so today in this video I'll be telling you why I like Viakal, and it's a Limescale remover and it's been one of the best products I've ever used. It makes everything so shiny, especially if you've got chrome fittings. This one says new, better Limescale remover. They've even improved the formula and they've said it's the #1 against Limescale, and that is very, very true. I can attest to that in other videos I've done. I've used it to clean my sink, I've used it to clean my sink drain stopper, I've used it to clean my taps, everything. The thing I like about this product also is it has a mild smell, so it's not too strong, and it has a pleasant scent, and it's not hazardous, corrosive product as well. So it's optional. If you'd like to use gloves when you're using this product, you can do, and if you don't want to use gloves, you don't really need to, and it's not going to affect your skin. But best advisable to use gloves, but if you don't want to use them, that's fine as well. Make up your own mind. Everyone is different. So let's see how they say how you should use it. So on the back here, it says your ally to remove Limescale and watermarks for sparkling clean bathroom. Sanitizes bathroom wear. And it says do not use on hot, damaged or acid sensitive surfaces such as gold, silver, copper, aluminium, coloured or odd or enamel household product options, including water boilers, natural stone, etc., marble and stuff. Limescale remover spray. Warning: causes serious eye irritation, causes skin irritation. Keep out of reach of children. If it gets into eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. Another great feature about this product has a safety mechanism. If you were to spray it, you will not be able to. If the nozzle says stop, you won't be able to spray it. I have done a video showing you how to open and use your Viakal. I'll link that in the comment section below, so you can watch that after this one if you haven't seen it already. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.